installing a simple backsplash with Schluter metal. Let me show you guys the backsplash. So that's the area. The things that you're going to need are a long level, smaller level, some tape, utility knife, pencil, and of course your tile. And that's the tile that we're going to use. It's a 2x4 subway on a mesh. It's going to be about 6 inches, and we're going to be using this Schluter metal to wrap the outside of the backsplash. First thing you want to do is you want to figure out how high your backsplash is going to go up. Then you want to mark it. As you can see, I marked it all the way around. cut this different ways. You could grinder with just a hand, like saw. I just prefer to do it on the wood saw because it's nice and quick. And always put this back part, so the thicker trim piece of it, so this part first, so that it cuts through the thickest part first. And just do it nice and slow. Cut it. We have a shooter cut. Now we're going to test fit it. Okay, so here's our shooter. Test it out. So it fits. And now I'm going to cut the sides. The sides are a little bit tricky because I'm not going to miter the corners, I'm actually going to bend the corners. It's a much cleaner look, no sharp edges. I'll show you how I cut that and how I fold it over. And the way I do the side pieces is I will take my schluter, I will put it against the wall, I will mark it because this bumps out about 1/4 inch. And then I will measure where I've marked spot to the end, so that's 22 1/4, and this way is about 6 inches. So I'm going to cut a piece that's 28 1/2. I'm going to leave it a little big and then I can just trim it. So 28 1/2 is what I'm going to cut. just simply going to bend. It's a little bit this color.